Alright, so this is the turret gun. It's a pretty simple gun. It's basically a single shot with a manually rotated turret. So, the way you rotate it, it has a tan lock in there, and you just turn it, and you keep going, and it just snaps in. Simple trigger. I had to glue this because it kept breaking off right there. So I'm going to shoot it with 4 UDA ammo things first, and then 4 yellow rods. So, and we'll be shooting this foam block. It's an inch thick, so. And it has ammo locks in each barrel, so nothing falls out. So you pull it back and then it rotates into place. Hit C. And you rotate it for the next shot. So now I'll load it with yellow rods, and this time I'll shoot it fast. So that's it.